page we're going to create is our home page. So go up to File, choose New, and we'll see we've got our different types. We're just going to choose HTML, and we're just going to call that a home page. Just going to click Create, and you should end up with this area here. Now you can see here that we've got two areas of our web page. We've got what's called a head. This is where we're going to put stuff later on, but the body is everything that you see. So what we're going to do in here is we're just going to create some areas which is where you're going to be able to see them once we've styled them. Okay, so the first one that we're going to have is what's called a header. Okay, you can see we start typing and we get header, we close the brackets and it gives us a kind of a closing tag as well. Everything in this, you need a beginning tag and an ending tag for different areas or for text and things. So you'll get used to doing that. The next one is going to be called main. This is the main area of our page. We're just going to create that. And then finally, we're just going to create one called footer. And we close it. You can see the difference between the heading tag to the top of the tag and the end tag, or the beginning tag at the end. You just get the little backslash there. So what we've got there is we've just got sort of three areas that we've done, and we've also put it into the body. Now, all we're going to do now is just going to sort of say File, Save As. And what we're going to do is we're just going to save that, and we're just going to call that Home. So that should be your page, and you can see that we've got a home page there. And what we're going to do is we're going to create what's called a CSS page. A CSS page is where is a separate page which runs in the background of all the other pages, and it gives styles to all the other ones. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So what it means is that we can just style in one area and then it'll push it out to all the other pages. So if you want to change the background, we just do it in one place and it will change it there. Okay, so what I need you to do first is just to have those finished, and I'll move on to the next video.